Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2011 Ford F550 6.7 Power Stroke Diesel 2-wheel drive. This truck's only got 141,000 miles on it. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad, the one-owner truck. It's rust-free. It's got a Miller Trailblazer 302 air pack. That's a welder, air compressor, generator, battery charger built into one. It's got an IMT 3,200 pound crane, several toolboxes in it, work lights. Let's walk around and show it to you. Thing's missing a few of the shelves on the bottom, toolboxes. Looks like it's got a little damage back there in the back of the box. Start it up, kick the PTO on. $141, $334 on the miles. Down, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up,
F550.
All right. So if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're probably looking around $1.75 a mile. And it depends on where you're located. It could be more, it could be less. That's a number to work off of. Also, we're a dispatcher, so what we do, we will go online and post it on our dispatch board and we'll wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I want to pick this truck up. You got going to Nebraska or Texas or California or wherever you may be. And normally that takes 3 to 7 days to get the truck. Keep in mind, like if you're in California, once the truck's picked up, it's going to take them 6 to 7 days just to get out there. So be realistic. You know, if you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up, you got to come get it yourself. And you're welcome to do that. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't accept a check on your name or your business name. It has to be certified funds. That's our policy. It's been our policy, and it will continue to be our policy. We would just rather not sell a truck than have somebody come write us a bad check and lose a truck. And we've almost had that happen before. So that's, you know, and 99% of the people that are our buyers are the most trustworthy people that there are. They wouldn't steal or take a dime from anybody, but all it takes is that one person to come in here and cause us a problem. So I hate to be like that, but that's just how it is. So anyways, this is a nice truck. It's got low mileage, 141,000 miles, 6.7, all the equipment, crane, compressor, welder, everything you need. Give me a call if you're interested. These trucks are hard to find. Even, you know, 140,000 miles on an 11 model is pretty relatively low miles. You know, a lot of these trucks have 350,000 on them. So anyways, thanks for watching. Give me a call, 256-310-6852. Call or text.